So when you're promoting and you're putting together your offers this season, what I really want you guys is to think about how you can position the fact that you allow people to create meaningful experiences. When I went to Dubai in July, and even when I went to Cuba this year, I did tech detoxes, right? So that I could immerse myself in the experience that I was there, the experience of the destination, actually paying attention to conversations, actually connecting with the people that I was there with, right? So I put down technology. Like I disconnected. I didn't fully disconnect because I am a bit addicted, but I did like 90% disconnect. Cuba, I could you had no internet, like you didn't set it up beforehand. But my point is those experiences that I allowed other people to have is now going to live with them a lifetime. Reply yes to learn more.